Hello everybody, and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you some gooseberry punch. Our ingredients for today are some gooseberries, we've got some condensed milk, we've got some ordinary skim milk, we've got some vanilla and nutmeg. So those are our ingredients what we're going to be using today. Right, so let's start the process. Right, so we've got all our things out of the way. So into our blender we're going to put some of the gooseberries. I think we've got our gooseberries in there, and we're going to put some of the juice, and we're going to blend this out. Right, so that's our gooseberries blended out. So we've got a jug with a sieve, and we're just going to pour this in a bit at a time and just sieve it through so we get out all the So if you haven't liked any of our videos, please press the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to any of our videos, please subscribe so that we can bring you more content and you can get them as we go along. So we're just getting out most of the seeds. I'm just going to rinse this out with a little milk. So we've got most of our pulp out now, just leaving the seeds. So into this now we're going to put our sweet milk. You can put how much you want to your taste, and then we're just going to whisk that through. Just whisk that through. We're going to put in some nutmeg. So that's our nutmeg. We're going to put in 2 cups of vanilla. And we're going to put in 1 cup of rum. If you haven't got rum, you can use brandy or whiskey or whatever you want to use. Vodka, doesn't matter. And we're going to whisk that through again. And then we're going to put in some milk, about a cup full. We're just going to beat that through. Okay everybody, so we've whisked it through and it's all nice and ready now. And we're going to just pour a nice glass. As you can see, it's nice thick drink, very refreshing, especially when it's ice cold. And there we have for you our gooseberry punch. If you haven't liked our video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.